Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use flat files. A flat file is a simple text file that stores data in a plain, unformatted way. Think of it as a basic spreadsheet without any fancy formatting or multiple sheets. Each line in the file typically represents a single record, and the individual pieces of data within that record are separated by a specific character, like a comma or a tab. This straightforward structure makes them incredibly useful for quick data storage and exchange between different systems. Creating a flat file is quite straightforward. You can use any basic text editor, like Notepad or TextEdit, to get started. The key is to establish a consistent structure for your data. Decide on a delimiter, perhaps a comma or a tab, to separate each piece of information within a record. For example, if you have 3 fields, ensure each line has exactly 2 delimiters, maintaining uniformity across all your entries. This consistency is crucial for later processing. When it comes to reading flat files, software typically processes them line by line. The program first identifies the delimiter you used, which allows it to correctly separate the raw data into individual fields. Each of these parsed fields is then assigned to its appropriate data type, such as text, numbers, or dates. It's also important for the program to include error handling, addressing issues like a missing field or an incorrectly formatted entry to ensure data integrity. Flat files offer several advantages, primarily their simplicity and ease of creation, requiring almost no setup. They are also highly portable, making it simple to move data between different operating systems and applications. However, there are some drawbacks. Maintaining data integrity can be challenging without strict adherence to formatting rules, and they lack built-in mechanisms for relationships between data. Furthermore, their scalability is limited for extremely large or complex datasets, making them less ideal for enterprise-level applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.